There we are. Hello everyone, how you all doing? I've already started my first video, and that's sort of cooking behind me. You can get a little peek. Don't know if you'll know what it is yet. But while that's cooking, I decided I was going to make some lunch. I know I'm a little faded out on this side. It's just, well, the sun and everything, and I still can't get that blind shut. So, today, we're talking, and I just started thinking about, like, childhood snacks that we used to have and things like that. And I remembered Crescent roll hot dogs. So I figured, I got all this stuff, why not? But let's jazz them up a bit. Let's sort of make them more adultish. So, trying to get this so we can see. There we go. Try and get that a bit closer. Get some stuff out of the way. So, of course, we have our crescent rolls, our hot dogs, some cheese, and we got some bacon. Just like you used to when you were a little kid. Put your piece of crescent down, your cheese. Now we're going to add some of that bacon. Everything's just better with bacon. We're going to wrap this up. Sort of twist so it goes around the hot dog. It's not going to be perfect. Who cares? It's still going to be really good. You can stretch these out a little bit if you want. The cheese there's a little on the softer side. I'm just using a marble cheddar because it's what I have, but you can use anything. I'll try doing it this way to roll. See if we can make it a little more covered. Like I said, it's not how they look in this case. This is a case of how they taste. This is just a throwback to childhood. Figure, you know what? Why not? Let's have some fun and record it while we're doing it. I remember the ends always used to stick out, and they were always the crispy bits of the hot dog, which were always tasty. I have got my oven preheating to 375, just like the instructions say. There's nothing hard about this. But you know what? Just sometimes little memories like this bring back such fun feelings and everything. So I figured, why not? We've got some more here. A little cheese, a little bacon. And you know what? If it's like this everywhere, where all hell is breaking loose, and we're all getting hit with round 2 again of, well, you know what. We all need some quick little ideas of things you can do with kids. So, teach them something simple, that can all do together and have some fun. Now, I'm not going to eat 5 hot dogs, but I also have 8 of these buns, of these crescent rolls. So what I am going to do with the extra, and also this is good if you just don't like hot dogs, so we're going to just make some little bacon and cheese buns. Again, just going to roll these up. They're going to go in the same pan as the other. A little bit of cheese left there, so nothing goes to waste. So we just have our silly hot dogs and some bacon cheese crescent rolls. These are going to go to the oven for about 15 minutes, and let's see how they all come out. Hey everyone, well, it's been, 12 minutes, 13 minutes or so, but lunch is out of the oven, and wow, this is throwbacks. So what we have, like I said, is just some very simple hot dogs wrapped in crescent rolls, just like you used to growing up, but we threw some cheese and bacon in there. And then back here, we also have just a couple of little crescent rolls that we just filled with some cheese and bacon. So, like I said, it's a throwback to childhood. Whoa, they're hot. But everyone always asks me for little ideas to do with kids. Get them involved in cooking, get them started cooking. Well, this is something super easy. They can put it all together. Mom, Dad, you can toss it into the oven, take it out when it's ready, dish it up, and you are set. So, I have to wait for these to cool for a few minutes because they are going to be way too hot to eat right now. So, who knows? Maybe we'll do more cooking for cooking with kids videos, but in the future. But I thought we'd do this as a real quick one, a real fun one, and plus, it's lunch. So everyone have a great day. I also have to get back to that second video. So we'll see you all again next time. So then, bye.